Hi, today in front of me DOOGEE V Max and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first open the Play Store application and in the search pool enter the Ampere. So now we should get this first application, that's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. Then tap to open the app, click yes I agree, pick close and tap on the left down corner. So here we can see information about our battery temperature. In my case that's 29 and 8 degrees. And also we got here more information like the battery level, health, capacity, voltage, Android version and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.